Hey, can we just talk in English for a minute? Not perfectly, not fluently, just talk. Welcome to the podcast. Take a deep breath, relax, and just listen. Today, there's no pressure, no judgment, no expectations. Just a simple, honest conversation.
That already feels different. Because usually, when people think about English, they feel nervous.
Exactly. The moment we hear the word English, we start thinking about rules, grammar, mistakes, pronunciation. And suddenly, we stop speaking.
Yes, it's like your mind is full of thoughts, but your voice becomes quiet.
That's a good way to say it. And today, we're not going to let that happen. We're just going to talk like two normal people. No pressure, no fear. So, tell me something simple. How was your day?
My day was very normal. Nothing special happened. I woke up, checked my phone, looked at messages, and then I just started my routine.
That sounds like a typical day. I think many people can relate to that.
Yes, and sometimes it feels a little boring.
Do you think it's boring or just predictable?
Maybe predictable, because I already know what will happen next.
Exactly. And when life becomes predictable, we stop paying attention to small things,
Like, what kind of things?
like a short conversation, a random thought, or even silence.
That's true. We are always doing something, but we are not really present.
Yes, we are busy, but not connected.
That sounds a little sad.
Maybe it is, but it also means we can change it. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you had a real conversation?
I don't remember clearly. Maybe it doesn't happen often.
Same here. And that's why this kind of conversation matters.
Because it feels real.
Yes, no acting, no pretending, just being yourself.
That's actually rare.
Very rare. And you know what stops people from having real conversations?
What?
Fear.
Fear of making mistakes?
Yes, and fear of being judged.
I think everyone feels that, especially when speaking English.
Of course, even people who are good at English feel nervous sometimes.
Really?
Yes, because it's not just about language, it's about confidence.
That makes sense.
Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect English to express yourself.
Then what do you need?
You need courage and patience.
Patience?
Yes, because improvement takes time.
That's true.
Let's do something simple together. Say this with me. My day was simple, but I am trying to improve.
That feels easy to say.
Exactly. Simple sentences are powerful.
Sometimes I understand everything, but I can't speak.
That's normal. Your brain understands, but speaking needs practice.
So, what should we do?
Speak more, even if it's not perfect.
Even alone?
Yes. Talk to yourself. It helps.
That sounds funny.
Maybe, but it works. The more you speak, the more comfortable you feel.
So, it's about consistency?
Exactly. Small effort every day.
That feels possible.
Good, because that's all you need. Let me ask you something else. Why do you want to improve your English?
Maybe to feel confident, to express myself better.
That's a strong reason. Confidence changes everything.
Yes, it really does.
And remember this, don't compare yourself with others.
That's hard sometimes.
I know, but everyone learns differently.
That's true.
So focus on your own journey.
Even if progress is slow?
Yes, slow progress is still progress. So, maybe you don't need perfect English. Maybe you just need one small moment to start.
Yeah, just one sentence, one try. That's enough.
And if you're still listening, you've already started.
So don't stop here. Keep going, slowly.
We'll talk again. Right here.
Take care and keep speaking.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.